Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this session, we are going to create a live webinar room with chat and login via YouTube. You're first going to go to Apps. To the left under Builders, you will find the webinar builder. Once you click on that, you will have the webinar dashboard open. You're going to go to the plus sign. Then there's three options. We're going to take the one in the middle because we're going to do a live room with chat and login to YouTube. We're going to click next, and then we're going to give it a name. Let's just call it YouTube Live. We're going to click next and create webinar. I'm not going to go in detail with the content schedule, webinar room appearance, email settings, because all of this I've done in previous videos. We're just going to look at how to stream to YouTube Live. So we're going to click on the source, go down to YouTube Live. We're going to click Go Live. I'm just going to say yes to restart it. And we are opening a webinar room. We're not streaming a file. And you can invite participants if you want to by just clicking on yes and then sending them the... Let me click on yes and I'll show you what it looks like. We're not going to log in, but I'm going to configure it manually so you can see how to do that. So it's asking for the server, the key, and the link. Now you're going to go to your YouTube channel. I'm going to use mine as an example. You can click on the little icon in the top right and go to YouTube Studio, or you can click on this little camera and hit Go Live. Now the very important part in the YouTube to understand is that you have to configure a few things before you start pasting in the details. Here at the top with the title and information here, this is where you change it and you edit it. So I'm just going to click on edit, and you're going to give it a title, change it to what you want, whether it's private, public, or unlisted. I'm just going to leave it private. Add your descriptions, all the details like you would normally do, and also add a thumbnail. And you're going to click save. So I've already done that. Once you've done that, you're going to scroll down until you get to the stream key. We're going to grab the stream key and make sure you put it in the right place. And I'm going to go grab the streaming file, the URL. And we're going to paste that in. Oops, let me just do that. We're going to go back for the YouTube link. And you will find this way where you find your logo on the right top. Click on that little arrow and you will see the code right there, the link. Go back to webinar and paste. Now we're not clicking login to YouTube. We're going to say open up the webinar room. And I'm going to type in Jackie. And I'm going to allow my camera and audio. And while this is loading, I'm going to go back to the webinar and go grab the embed key. Just to show you what it would look like. I'm going to go paste it in. Now obviously we haven't set up anything else. Let's just press play. And this is the thumbnail that's going to come up. Now obviously you need to make sure that you say something like live is about to start soon or something. But this is just to show you what it looks like before you are going live. So let's go back to our streaming tool and wait for the video to come up. There I am. Hello guys. So we're going to hit start broadcast. And you can see there's the invite participant area, if you want to invite participants and sending them the code. And then it takes approximately 30 seconds to go live on YouTube. And once it's live here, it's going to get live in your webinar room. So there you see, that's how that works. I'm going to go back to our streaming and I'm going to stop the broadcast. And when you stop that, it's going to end right here as well. And then that is how you would create a live webinar room with chat and login via YouTube. Have an awesome day. Bye.